Hello everyone, today let me take you on a tour of Injected injection molding workshop. Here we have more than 70 fully automatic injection molding machines. All adopt a central feeding system, which enables unmanned continuous operation of raw material, transportation, drying, and production, greatly improving the efficiency, accuracy, and stability of injection molding. Meanwhile, the product defect rate has been controlled. The connectors we produce have the following advantages: high quality, high performance, high reliability, precision, workmanship. If you are looking for a connector manufacturer or want to proxy our connectors, welcome to contact us. Thank you.